Hi everyone, I'm Edward, and today I'm going to show you how to clean dirty down jacket. As you can see, my down jacket is so dirty that I haven't been washed for about almost 6 months since the last backpacking trip, and I need to wash it up. First, you need to get a hydroperoxide, baking soda, blue dawn, dish detergent, and a bowl and a brush. You need 2 parts of hydrogen peroxide, 1 part of baking soda, and 1 part of dish detergent. And you want to use either a plastic spoon or a small cup to measure the parts so that you get the correct proportion of the mixtures. And you want to mix it thoroughly so that it looks very liquid paste, and you want to rub it onto your jacket. So I use the brush to work with the mixture into one small area of my down jacket, and I scrabble the brush onto the down jacket multiple times to see if the mixture will clean off the down jacket. Then I rinse it off with water off the area that I have been scrubbed, and see if it's clean and if it works. And then if it works, then I will just continue to wash off the other part of the stain on my down jacket and continue scrubbing it to keep it clean. As you can see, I spent quite a bit of time to do a deep cleaning on my down jacket. It took me about 45 minutes to an hour to just clean, rinse it off. And I want to make sure that the down jacket is stain free before I throw the down jacket to the washing machine. Before I wash the down jacket in the washing machine, I do one final check to see if there's any stains or any mixture that is still on the down jacket. This is the only time that I will have to wash it off and make sure that I clean all the stain spots before I throw into the washing machine. Now it's time to drain the water out and put inside the white bucket and ready to go to the washing room. Before you wanted to put your down jacket into the washing machine, you want to make sure that you're using a front loader washing machine. If you're using a top-loaded washing machine, please make sure that you are using the one without the agitator. Then you want to check the washing machine to ensure that there is no foreign objects left behind that could snag your down jacket, and also making sure that there is no detergent residue inside the dispenser that could strip your down jacket. And if everything is all clean, then you're ready to put the down jacket inside the washing machine. You want to make sure you use a down wash detergent, and in this case I use the brand Granger's down wash detergent, and make sure you follow the instructions. In this case I have to use one 50 milliliter cap for one jacket, so I would pour that into the dispenser. So I'll be using a power, set it up as a delicate right here, and in here you wanted to do extra rinse on soil level. I will keep it light as I'm being pre-washed. Spin speed, I will do low spins just to make sure that it doesn't ruin the feathers. And on the wash temperature, I will choose warm. Oops. Okay, and we're gonna get started. After 1 hour later, my down jacket is done. So I take it out and just check to see if there is anything that's not being washed. And in this case, it's already done, and I will just use my hanger to air dry and put it inside my garage. After leaving the down jacket inside the garage, air drying it seems like the down jacket is dry. But just to be safe, I will leave the down jacket inside the garage for another couple days to make sure that it is fully dry. As you can see, my Patagonia down jacket seems like it's very clean, using the ingredients that I mentioned in the earlier video. And I noticed that there are a few spots that's either I forgot to clean, or it's been cleaned once and it just doesn't take it off the stain. So I will try it again next time, and to make sure that those stains are being washed. If you think this video is very helpful, please give a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. And don't forget to leave a comment below to see what other video you would like me to do a tutorial on. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. I see you on the next video.